In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a smoke detector using Arduino Uno. So let's see the component that we are using in this video. Arduino Uno and breadboard, a gas sensor, some jumper wires and resistance of 200 ohm. This is the circuit diagram, and we are going to simulate this circuit using Tinkercad software. So let's jump into that software. This is the Tinkercad software. I have made a circuit using the virtual components. This is the Arduino Uno, this is breadboard, and this is gas sensor. These are the LEDs, and this is the resistance, and this is the piezo or the buzzer. So let's see. As we all know that Arduino Uno contains 13 digital pins and 5 analog pins. I have connected 5 volt of the Arduino to the positive terminal of the breadboard and ground to the negative. Gas sensor pin B1, H2 and B2 are connected to the positive terminal, and the pin H1 is connected to the negative terminal. Similarly, A2 is connected to a 220 ohm resistance to the ground. The pin A1 is connected to the pin A0 of the Arduino Uno. A0 is the analog pin of the Arduino Uno, and these LEDs are connected to the digital pin of the Arduino Uno. Green one is connected to second, yellow one is connected to third, and the red one is connected to the fourth. And we have connected the positive terminal of the buzzer to the fifth 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 digital pin of the Arduino Uno, and negative terminal is connected to the negative terminal of breadboard. So this is the basic circuit. So let's jump in, start the simulation and see how it works. So as we are seeing that the green LED is now blinking. So this is the smoke that in case of any fire, as you all know that smoke comes as it comes near to the sensor, the warning LED, yellow warning LED glows, and as it comes nearer, the buzzer start to buzz and the red LED gives the sign. These LEDs indicates the level of danger. The red LEDs shows that there is a fire and buzzer start to buzz. So let's see the code that we have used for this circuit diagram. So we have defined the pins. Pin 2 is defined for the green LED, pin 3 is defined for the yellow LED, and pin 4 is defined for red, pin 5 is buzzer, and pin A0 is sensor. So this is the this program we see that pin we have used a loop from 2 to 6 pin 2 3 4 5. This loop will run, and pin mode 2 is output, pin mode 4 is output, pin mode 5 is output, pin mode 3 is also output. So this is the main program where we have demonstrated that every pin is kept low at this time, and we have used a function named as status indicator. So let's see the code of this function. We have declared a variable to uh, read from the analog pin of the Arduino. Analog pin we have used is A0. So this sensor input variable stores the value of value of the sensor that the sensor reads. So we have used a simple print function here and print the sensor input that sensor has read. So now we will see that. Now we will see in the serial monitor. Let's see the serial monitor. Now in the distance is showing to be 20, and as we come closer, the distance is kept on increasing, and so the distance becomes 44. So we have declared a control statement, if control statement, that if the distance is greater than 40, the buzzer starts to buzz, and here you see as the distance is greater than 40, the red LED is we have written the red LED to the high voltage and the buzzer also. Now if the distance is greater than 25 but less than 40, we see that the yellow LED is growing that we have defined above, and it is on a high voltage, and so similarly as we decrease the distance, hence distance is less than 25, the green LED glows that shows that there is no fire, and we have set a delay of 10. So I am stopping the simulation. I think this is enough, and I would like to thank you my teachers for giving me opportunity and providing us valuable information how to use Arduino Uno. I would like to thank Dr. Ankush, Vasist sir and Dr. Amit Kumar.